Welcome back guys to another video. And you guys know I haven't uploaded for months, so I'm gonna so this is my long before video. So for here are apps you need. First you need floating apps. So what it basically does is add a floating tab so you can browse while playing Roblox or any other game. But if you already have a floating tab in your phone, you don't need to download it. So first, about the video, I'm gonna show you how to run server-side scripts which other players can see, and you need a server-side executor. So let's show you what I'm using. So you need to go to Chrome or any web browser you have, and you need to type rus.wtf, and this will take you to a website called Rus, the premier server-side platform. So you can basically use free plan, regular plan, or premium. I use free plan because I don't want to spend any money. So after that, you click on this three line icon on the top, on the right side top, and you click dashboard, and you log in. I already logged in, so don't need to. And if you don't have account, you need to register. Now you need to enter your Roblox username. This is mine. This is an alt account, so I don't get banned. Now click set account. This will take you to the games section. This is where you can play the supported games, and it's taking a long time. There we go, and you can click any game. Sometimes it lags or errors like this. When I join, it sometimes say the experience has ended, or but and this time it didn't error, so that's good for me. And also you need a good Wi-Fi for the executor to load. I don't have a good Wi-Fi, so let's see if it loads. And it didn't load. And that's a hacker there. Let's test the experience and play supported games. So these are the supported games. Let's try out this one. Hope it loads. And nope, still didn't load. So let's rejoin until it loads. So I'm gonna pause the recording and unpause if the script loads. And the script loaded. It's this AI icon right here. So yeah, we're gonna be trolling with this script, and once the script loads, you need to click browser and type the rus.wtf on your browser here, like this, and you will get sent to this tab. Now click script hub or mic scripts. I use mic scripts because they're literally so yeah, I just fixed my script. And let's try Sensation Hub. I hope it works. I guess it doesn't work. That's right because I have more scripts right here. So, give guns. Does it work? Nope. Oh yeah, it works. So this is M1. What the heck? What the hell happened? Okay, I guess that teleports me, so we're not gonna be using that. Let's use what should I use? Hmm. That's Angel Morph, I guess. So let's just wait for it. If it's gonna work. Oh, it works. So I got this clip in YouTube. You can check it out on YouTube. Why am I so slow? Maybe I will become okay, I guess only fast. So let's just holy bro, calm down. So let's go right up here. Let's execute what should I execute? Extra guy. Hope it works because some of my scripts doesn't work. This all these scripts are not mine. I just found it on YouTube and it doesn't work. How about this? Sensation habitat. Hope it works because if it doesn't work, I'm leaving. Nah, just kidding. So, are there any more players? No, I'm just alone. So let's just do this parkour. You know what? I'm just gonna get scripts from the script hub. So all scripts still works except for the guns, and this doesn't work too, I guess. So if the color on the A change, that means the script has been executed, but it just doesn't work. The only thing that I want to do in script hub is more. So you can find it here. Nope. Bro, what's name again? Bro. This morph guy. So why I love it? Because it just morphs you into other monsters and you kinda don't need keys. You can load any words like that and it can say correct. So what I want more to morph into is some scripts here don't work in this morph guy, so the only scripts that work here is Pop Playtime or this script and on Doctor Nowhere, The Locus, and Guild, and Dark Messiah too. And on I think 7 scripts only work here. We're gonna be trying out Huggy Wuggy. So let's just wait for the script to work on there. And it's kinda realistic though. And you can M1 someone like that. Oh my god, he died. How about you? So, I'm lonely here. I'm the only player. How about let's try Catnap. So, as you can see, let's just wait for this. What was that sound? And the Catnap clip is really but just laggy. Holy, I'm lagging. Holy, how do I fix it? So yeah, that's not nice. And you can spin the player. That's oh, what the fuck? So let's just reset. Or let's and we just flip the water, but I'm just too lazy to try other script. The sensation hub works and it's cool because you get a hub of areas or use or areas, whatever you call it. For me, I call it areas. So it's gonna pop up with the screen. You need the login. So let's just that. Click on login and yeah. What the hell?
Welcome to Sensation Hub unknown Hackadow 115.
Oh, you have gears? What? That's cool, bro. That's cool. But they don't have maps. So let's get a helicopter. Heli. And I guess that will spawn a helicopter, but I don't see any helicopter here. So let's try that. What the heck was that? Did you guys see that? I swear I saw a line or something. Oh my god. Let's try school bus. I hope it fits because this. Oh my god, it works, but it doesn't fit. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I didn't need my script though. Do guns work? How about gears? Show your cannon. Is there a squid bomb here? Hmm. No squid bomb. So this is my personal scripts, and you can change them up, I guess. So check out Rex. He uploads scripts for server side executors. And let's go to CSGO map. Let's load that. Hope it works. Because sometimes Sensation Hub doesn't work. By the way, that's cool. So, I'm ending the video at 30 minutes. Whoa! Where the heck did I fall? So, the music work. Turbo Candyland. And it doesn't work. Dugan works. No. AK-74. What the hell? Where am I? Infinite got infinite ammo. Why does it work? So I guess it does not work. Let's switch out and get my bro. Why am I still on first person? Oh, I can do that. Dum. Check out gears. They have laser sword. Holy, I just need it for now. What is Neutron Hub? I'm gonna try that later. Let's check out the required scripts. And bro, let's check out Gunner. Holy, mouse slash sword. Stand near photo execute to some bird. Cannot jump at some bird. TYU speak. So I can speak. Do I have a keyboard here? Or keyboard? Keyboard. Bro, I do not have a keyboard here. The hell? Big Daddy, what? Utility, Pulse, Admin, Infinite, Hide, Nila, Water. Simple, Python, Infection, Give up. So I don't have a keyboard. How am I gonna test that out? I guess just shoots one. Oh, it's cool. Oh, I forgot. I still have the gunner script. I can't expel. Do the. Oh, that does it. Let's try it a few bomb. I'm gonna run. Oh, let's. And can it kill me though? Holy, it's on me. Oh yeah, can kill. Bro, are you just 10 out of 10? And the free plan is good. There are lots of supported games. So that's good. Standard, I think about 100 plus games or sort of, or just unique games. And some scripts require you to pay. There's no free plan. I mean, some executors require you to pay, and there's no free plans on there. But Arius, there's a free plan and also a standard premium ultimate plan. So let's just complete this hobby. Holy, how am I? Oh, that's easy. So if you want to try Arius, just look at WTF. And also join their Discord. It's fun. I mean, you can chat with other early users and be updated when there's an update. So I think they're not gonna update this. But yeah, it's kinda cool. Wait. Holy, I fell. So let's get there. Why am I rushing though? I don't need to rush since I have infinite yield. Oh, I forgot. RCS just dropped a new executor. It's RCX V5 and you have to pay. But it's kinda cool to have a GPT or AI assistant that can make your script. So that's why you have to pay. But I use RCX Neo because it's free and you can execute scripts still. And and on RCX V5, what? It's so sad. What is this, bro? And RCX V5 is kind of like RUs because it has server-side scripts too. What's this? Holy, help me, bro. That was. Oh my god, bro. Sleepy and this, what do they call it again? Holy shit. That was a big jump. I'm sorry, God, for cursing. Holy. Bro, I will just use the freaking ladder. Oh my god, it's the most scary part ever. No! Get up there. And again, the big jump. I can jump a big jump. Okay. Oh, there's the big jump. So let's just get over it. Slippery and disappearing blocks. That was a big jump. Holy! Save me. Bro! I'm getting annoyed. Sort of getting annoyed. Because, you know, I keep falling. Holy. Now, the big jump again. What? So, let's keep on climbing. Climbing. Oh. That's quite hard. I'm gonna die, dude. Oh, I died. Bro, what the hell? So, 6 minutes left until I end the video. Let's try out scripts. And just like I told you, I'm gonna try Newton. Let's see what it does. And it doesn't load. Why am I lagging? Oh, it works. So, Voodoo Child. What another one? Oh, it's just like the scripts from BuildDirects.fun. Sexter. Ain't no way. That's cool. What Neptunian B? I mean 5. Genocider or genocider, whatever you call it. So, how am I gonna... Oh my god, bro. Pandora para... Oh, Ruin X, Ravager, Sadik, Sadix. Let's try Sadik. Die! Please die! Why am I dancing though? Let's try Sin Dragon. So, where's my dragon? What? Why did I scream? Now, where's the dragon? So, how... I can't move. Alex, though. Dummy. Dummy. And there's no dummy. Bro, what the hell? Oh, I forgot. There's a dummy morph guy. What the heck? What kind of sound is that? Oh, I can pump. Oh. I love air use. What is Ender? What is that? Broken angel. Bro, what kind big that? Fallen anger. What is fallen anger though? Holy, what happened to me? Oh, I guess it's fallen angel, not fallen anger. Fall down. One hit. Which survive by grab knife before premium safe. Premium? So, Ether, Lightning Emperor, Super Hungry Mick, Nubington, Reality Creature, Agent Agony, Ali, Angel, Asylum B2. Let's try Big Dance. What kind of name is that? Oh, I'm big. So that's why is that a punch or something? Yeah, that's. And I can dash too. I mean. Let's try other tricks. How about cup? Drop rifle. So grab knife. So what does it do? Grab the knife, I guess. Let's see the equip knife. I don't have a keyboard. So that's the Nebula or Glitcher B1. What if Pandora? I guess it's a hub or something. Oh, it's skin. Okay, it's all TV. I can't even punch. So we're done with Newton. How they exit it. No, what? Just I did. So other script. Let's remove that dummy. Yeah, that. Purity Claw, Pizza Frenzy, United. There's no maps. That's what I want. Tools. You bumper tool pack. Items. Item asylum. Asylum tool pack. Pound turret tool. Sword tools. Volcanic guns. Holy hand grenade. Try the holy hand grenade. So let's spawn dummy or NPC. And let's just run for my life. When it gonna explode though. Holy. Oh. That's what it does. Let's help with the sound. So that's it for the video. Goodbye guys, and yeah, I hope someone sees this and cries or this out. And by the way, this is not a sponsor. I'm just showing scripts or whatever I do every day in my life. So yeah, goodbye.